LCW Airsoft. This is Operation Hill 280. We hear these are introductions. What's your name?
Thanks.
What gun are you using? Cyber gun, Black M4?
Cyber gun M4.
Alright.
Ghost
Your
Rider.
name?
Ghost Rider.
Otherwise known as?
Mayhem.
Okay, what gun are you using? Cyber gun?
AK-47 Technical.
Cyber gun. Alright, I'll be using G&G Combat Machine M4 and Echo 1 ASR. Mad Mexican! This is the madman from Mexico. What gun do you have? This is he's using a Cyber gun AKM, full metal. What's your name and what gun are you using?
Daniel Villarreal, and I'm using an MP5.
SEMA MP5, alright. Name and gun?
Donovan Coleman, M4, A1, and MP5.
Alright. Name and gun?
Sean Pacina, the Tactical Famous.
Alright.
Tyler Kimball, the Brigger P345 CO2.
There. Echo 1 ASR, 3 to 9 times zoom scope.
Alright.
Yeah, so you can scope.
Yeah,
They're the same gun.
That one from
Ready! Shit, I can't get a good spot. Shit, stay low, stay low. Everybody stay low and watch for flank. Shit, this brush is terrible. It's not good. I gotta get a better spot to snipe. I'm not sniping right now, I'm going assault. Everybody stay low. G&G Combat Machine, M4. Hey, are they all flanked? Are they all over there? Watch out for the sniper, Dylan. Stay low. What? What the hell's the problem? Huh? What's going on? We need support over here right now! I'm taking out Fatty. What? Can't get a good. Ah, pin. We can't let that guy get around. Someone stay here and watch. Don't let him get close to us. What? Huh? Snipe him. On ahead. Yeah, you turn around. They're all right there. Be straight ahead.
You already pointed back. Where'd the other guy go?
I don't know. The white dude?
Yeah.
He went back here.
Oh, there he is.
You got eyes on him? What? Snipe him. I'll give you some support. Where is he? Everyone keep watching back that way.
Watch him! Watch him!
Stay low, they still got... You got it?
In the tree!
Where?
Right there!
Oh shit, I see him.
Lay down!
Damn it. Oh shit, my bad. Stay low, stay low. Where's he still back there? He could come flank us and ruin this entire thing, you guys. Someone's got to keep eyes on him. Oh, I see him. You want to spray him? Get a spray. Yeah, go and cover that. What? There. Stay low, stay low. Dylan, what are you actually trying to do? Huh? What are you doing?
What's the door?
Elias is supposedly. Hey, Dylan, go back to base. Go up outside. Oh shit! Got the sniper! Got the sniper! At 1 o'clock. Everybody, watch the west. All right. Do what you want. Just watch the. Just keep watching the six. Crap. Go grab it.
For some reason my AK went out. For some reason.
Here.
Damn, I charged it all night though. Not all night, but half.
What the hell in my pocket?
I don't know.
You're not supposed to. Did they hit him? I think they killed. I think Elias killed one. Come on, move up, move up. Yeah. Basically. Oh.
Oh yeah.
Well, basically, the reason he sucks because he's straight up a dumbass.
Oh no, he didn't see laying down over there.
Really?
And he shot like right at me, and I jumped up and ran right after him. What's his name? Hit me in the head over there. I was like, yeah, you gotta get birds on here.
He's from Florida. I don't think birds are in the business there. So.
He's like, what's this?
Did you kill that one kid?
Dude, get up there, Dan.
Dan, get down. Shit. Well, besides his AK going out after like 3 shots. Yeah, for some reason it's just yeah.
He might not want to bring that.
Who's that? They kill him too, and Dan? Hey, what's going on? Huh? You killed every one of them? Nobody got to be revived?
Nope. Hey, that's one game.
Time out. So basically what happened is none of the Piccadilly team was covering their flank. So the man Mexican came around the hill and killed all 5 of them at once with his full metal AKM on full auto. So yeah, that's basically the game. LCW Airsoft team wins, the first ever LCW Airsoft hosted Operation Hill 280 versus Piccadilly. It's a good game, pretty fun. Yeah. So yeah, that's basically the video. You can look at our website, locochampionshiprwrestling.webs.com. for more information on more operations, public operations coming up. And yeah, so adios.